Next, one more healthcare stock, Thyrocare, which was a fancy stock about 2 to 3 years back. 2 years back, I think so. Very famous. Not only the company, even the managing director, Dr. Velumani, very, very popular person, beautiful, thought-oriented person he is. This company shined very well in the time of listing. A huge hype was there. After that, I used to keep telling regularly, IPOs, after they come, they fade out. That was what exactly happened in this stock. After the IPO, there was very big hype. Stock just flew. After that, results starts coming. Then only we know they are not able to sustain all that numbers that is shown in the before IPO is. We can't believe that. Again, it will be small level, whatever it is. When real numbers comes, it doesn't hold. That's why the stock collapsed. It was a top performer in 2019. After that, from December 19 onwards, sales has been down. Sales is going south, expenses is going north, profit is shrinking. Then this kind of pattern is there. When business is not there, expenses is shooting up, companies will struggle. Again, this stock had a breakout in July 20. Maybe because of expectations that ran, it just flew big time. Fundamentals didn't support, while upside looks like it will continue. If suppose the current quarter numbers comes out good, maybe that is the expectation that FIIs are buying the stock. Looks like there is something brewing up in this stock. When it comes to value, zone of 735 to 835, that is where we can buy. As of now, it is slightly higher than that. So buying now, no. Please wait for a correction. When price comes to the zone of 735, 835, it should build strength there. Then give a pattern to buy. Just like that, when the price comes into the zone, don't buy it. It can be severe also. Same happened in Britannia this week. Lot of people went and bought Britannia. You see the volume that it has compared to what it was earlier. It is 5 times volume. With 5 times volume, it is dropping. It will not come up soon. People are thinking the moment price is going down, stock becomes attractive, they want to buy. No, that is a very, very big mistake. How far it will go, we don't know. It has to go down, form a base, get support, then it should climb up. Then only we should buy. It's okay to buy it 5, 10 rupees more. But after you buy, if the stock goes down 10, 20% from where you are buying, that gives a panic. We tend to make wrong moves once those kind of activities happen. Be very cautious because it's your hard-earned money. Don't put into the market by impulsive decisions. Finally, getting back is very, very tough. You lose 10%, you have to make 11% to get back your capital. Making money is seriously hard. There will be people talking that in options I have made 1000%, 1500%. All their bullshit. Nothing will happen. One trade they will talk. Take their records and see there would have been lot of big holes in it. So for Thyrocare, price is up. Because of that, it will go up again. Sector is doing well. Fundamentally, it is as of now not supporting. Maybe there is something brewing in that. If suppose September results or December results are good, stock will fly up. When it comes to the zone, that is a good time to buy, not now. Now it is drastically overpriced. That's our assumption. There can be other views also. People might say, no, this is what is there. This is why it is going up. That's okay. But we are having a system. Based on the system, we will never buy overvalued stock. We are tasked to come to the value zone. Only then we will buy. So for every stock, I have tried to give the value zones. That is a place that stock will be attractive. It's like a mean. If it comes to the mean, then the standard deviation movement 1 to 2 times is possible. So for Thyrocare, presently it is drastically overpriced. Our thoughts and ideas, wait for the stock to get a correction. Looks like there is something strong happening in the stock. For those who track the stock, it should be giving good opportunities in the future. Do your judgment, make a choice and buy the stock. We are not recommending to buy the stock. No recommendations are given to buy or sell the stock.